एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसे भी सच। सोचे सोच न होवई जे सोची लखवार चुपै चुप न होवई जे लाए रहा लिवतार भुखिया भुख न उतरी जे बन्ना पुरिया पार सह सियाणपा लख होए ता इक न चलै नाल किव सचियारा होइए किव कूड़े टुटे पाल हुक्म रजाई चलना नानक लिखिया नाम कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः कुरुत्वं कल्याणं शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः।
A very good morning and Jai Hind to each one present here. I welcome all the students of class 9 who will be taking oath as monitors today. Monitors, why is it required to have monitors in the classes when you already have a class teacher in the class? It is only because when you work in a team, the effect of that team is greater. And for one teacher to manage all the 40 students and so many issues of those students, it is not possible that they can do alone. The way it is not possible for me to do my work alone, I require a team of academic heads and say vice principal and headmistress and everyone. Same way, the class teacher also requires the set of monitors to help him or her in delivering the duty. So it is very important, all of you students, to understand that whatever oath you are taking today, you are also being given the responsibility. So every tag comes with a responsibility. So you don't get anything without any responsibility. So if I become a class teacher, I have responsibility. If I become monitor, I again have a responsibility. And I am very hopeful that all of you will be able to do justice to that position. Wishing you all the best and all the best for this session. Again, this session is going to be a very different session as compared to the last year. Last year was very different. This year, I am again knowing that it is going to be a different session. But I am very hopeful because last year you all could do, and this year also we all will be able to do. Some of you would have been the old monitors who are taking the responsibility again. So believe that you only get to share the responsibility or take the responsibility if people find you worth taking it. So you should be, happy that, okay, I have been given responsibility. It means that people have a lot of faith on me. And that is what is, once you do it, you will get a lot of confidence and you will get a lot of, challenges also where you can overcome and you will find out your true potential. So all the best to all of you. Welcome once again to this investor ceremony.
Over to
monitors, teachers, and parents in this auspicious occasion. Dear students, we generally come across two statements. One statement is leaders are born leaders. And second statement is leaders don't become in a day. So dear students, I would like to tell you that the first statement that leaders are born is a false statement. And leaders don't become in a day a leader is a true statement. Why it is true? Because you become leaders after the training of leadership. And that training you start from your school level. And that training starts from today. When you are elected the monitor of your class, you are expected to share your class teacher's responsibility. You are expected to take initiative. You are expected to maintain discipline and decorum of your class. You are also expected to see that in any of the activities of the school, maximum participation of your class students is there. So all these responsibilities in normal days was very normal. But during this COVID period, last year it was so bitter. But this year we are in an advantageous position because we are prepared for it. This COVID period is a challenge for this monitor or this year's monitors, because you have to see that all the decorum, all the expectations are fulfilled online. You will not get a chance to talk to your students or motivate your classmates or help your teachers offline, face to face. So this is a year when you really have to prove yourself. And I am very hopeful. I know that all my students are so brilliant. So I wish you all the best for this academic session and hoping to see you all rock.
Congratulations to all of you students. Now you have a big responsibility of being a monitor. Understand that it's not just monitorship, it is the starting of leadership. I expect you all to polish your skills and be the right hand of your teachers. Your duties will range from maintaining discipline to taking care of tripods, sometimes to even remind your teachers and to me regarding your syllabus, classes, etc. So be a good monitor and achieve the best of everything. Congratulations again. Stay healthy and stay safe. Jai Hind.